What's up, y'all? Just got some very good news. Arrows Landscaping has officially landed the bid contract for cleaning out Navajo Nation Shopping Centers for Kayenta and Shiprock locations. At my house, I need to put on my boots. Put on my boots. I'm not 100% right now with my health, but I'm doing the best I can to get through it. I'm in pain all fucking day long. Fucking 3 days. I just been fucking hurting. But I feel like I'm almost out of it though. I'm about to pull through. Gotta remember to take my medication. I went to the hospital like fucking 2 times yesterday. I'm gonna go pick up the truck over there. I'm gonna go and pick up the truck and then bring it back over and hook up the trailer and then dump the trash. Get ready for work tomorrow. That's my house right there. 5 years in the making. I've been working 5 years on that house. Whose dogs are these? Hey, puppies. Hey, puppies. Are they huskies? Hey, puppy. Come here, puppy. Oh, you guys are so cute. Hey, cats. Hey, cats. Hey, kitty. Hey, kitty, kitty. Hey, kitty, kitty, kitty. Got into the truck. It's all dark. Let's see how far away I am. Precision. Look at all the shit on there. Alright, I done emptied out the whole back of the trailer. Now, I'm just waiting for the welding to begin. And then I'm going to start packing up all the tools. This right here needs to be re-welded. This shit broken bad. So, not sure how we're gonna weld that. Probably just the bar from here to here or some shit. Doesn't have to be all fancy. You know what I'm saying? And then some shit in the back here that needs to be re-welded as well. Ooh, someone got more posts. Okay, while I'm waiting for the welder to come back, I am working on the Echo that I have. I think I have to clean out the carburetor because it's not starting anymore. When I first got it and tested it, it started, but since then it has never started afterward. By the way, if anybody needs any type of welding services, my father is a welder and he'll come by and he'll make it happen for you. So if you're looking for any welding to be done at your home, whether if it's a fence, repair on your flatbed, or a gate, or car parts, or just whatever you need to be welded, then just let me know. Leave your email down below and then I can message you, or message me at jermunsonyazi@gmail.com and then we can set that up. I don't know, man. I can't start it. I already cleaned out the carburetor, cleaned the spark plugs. Fuck. I'm gonna take out the spark plugs there and put it in this one. Maybe it might be a spark plug, but I know this one is fucking old. Oh. Shit burnt me out. Alright, we just welded the trailer and testing it out right here, see if it's bouncy and all that shit, see where else we need to weld. So I'm just following them, just taking a look at the trailer. What the fuck with this? Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. Fucking cow. About to start shooting all these cows on the road, bro. Y'all need to take care of your fucking livestock. They're not as important as a fucking human life. As a matter of fact, they're not as important as a vehicle. Fuck those horses and cows. Y'all need to get your shit together and start taking better care of your livestock. I'm sick and tired of your fucking shit. Oh, I want to take care of animals. I want to be an animal owner. And then you have them bitches all over the fucking highway and shit. Take care of your animals, damn it. Alright, so I'm in the middle of packing right now. I just am removing my bed that I had here in my car. So I have no seat on the left passenger side. I usually take it out and I put my bed here. So now I'm going to put my bed back into the spot. And my bed is in there. And I'm still packing because don't forget, tomorrow we'll be working at Kayenta all day. So tomorrow's tomorrow, which means tomorrow is your today. So today, unless I upload this until the day after tomorrow, which will make it yesterday. So today or tomorrow, or even today, or yesterday's tomorrow, or just whenever you guys are watching this, it more than likely happen today or tomorrow. Depends on when I upload this video. But anyways, we'll be in Kayenta. Yo, good morning YouTube. Brand new day, We are getting ready to head out to Kayenta, Arizona. I'm gonna go get some gas, and we're going to basically be cleaning out the entire property of Kayenta. So, here we go. Oh my God. All right. Come on, dog, don't say shit like that. What's up, y'all? I'm here at Kayenta, around the shopping center area. Today's day number 1. We are cleaning off the entire property of the shopping center, and I'm super excited to be able to get this opportunity. And yeah, we have the guys that are working already down there. Should be fun. Let me go into the store here and get me a safety vest, because that's what we need, our safety vest. So I don't know if you guys can see them, but they're working way over there. Let's go into the Ace Hardware.
Excuse me. Do you know where I can find the nearest? The nearest. I was just playing. I was just kidding. Hey, bro. Yeah. You know where I can find the nearest falala? What? The nearest falala?
What's that?
A falala? I'll play with you, bro.